The original DRYFT logo was really sharp and angular and quite cutting. So we introduced this curvature, we thickened it. We wanted to really reflect the fluidity of the machine, the S-motion that comes with it, with the functionality of the machine as well. And that's basically what we ended up with. We ended up with something thicker, bolder and stronger, and it just really captured the motion, and at the same time it referenced the corners and the straight edges. But you know, while looking at this, we also toyed with the idea of icons. Everything moving at an angle, we always wanted to capture the idea of motion. This process, we actually came up with the icon for the S-motion design, which ended up looking something like that, which, you know, is very closely linked to the DRYFT logo. We can see in this document here, it lends all the same angles, so they're all forming part of a family. So come and see us at Intergloom.